What is going on, YouTube? I am your guy Rez, and we are out here today for a very special edition of Welcome to the Bay. Let's go.
Play fake. Young goes deep middle. He's got Jerry Rice. Touchdown 49ers.
Right now. Congratulations, 49ers. Super Bowl bound.
Rice has just set a Super Bowl record. The game is over. San Francisco has won a Super Bowl 23. Jerry Rice. And also an open up. One area got the bounce. And now the weekend is big for the Nolan City Royals Bay Area fans. NBA champions.
It's a dig. Jerry struck in the San Francisco first time since 1954.
Right there, it's my hometown.
The San Jose Sharks.
He sets you score. Evander Kane.
All right, y'all, so I am out here in the basketball courts because I think it's only fitting with this jersey I'm about to share with you guys. It finally came in. This is probably like the jersey of the year for me. I am very, very excited because, as you all know, I rep my Warriors till the day I die. This jersey pickup that I'm about to share with you guys is a jersey that I have been anticipating since the pictures leaked online. I was really crossing my fingers that this was gonna be a actual release and not just some mock-up, and my wishes came true. NBA, the Warriors, decided to release this City Edition jersey right here. You already know what's up. This right here is the Nike Authentic City Edition Golden State Warriors jersey, and I am so damn hyped to finally have this jersey in hand. This jersey theme right here is by far my most favorite Golden State Warrior moment. This is what got me to be a Dubs fan. This era, this We Believe era, from like early 2000s up until late 2000s was a very tough time for Warriors fans. But I ride or die with my team. I stuck with them from beginning till end, and then all of a sudden, when Steph Curry got drafted to the Warriors, everything started changing. You got Klay Thompson, Draymond Green, Kevin Durant, Iguodala, and all those guys started joining the squad, and we won championships. But this jersey right here is so dope. Just to have this in hand, Nike and Golden State Warriors really went out their way with doing this one right here. I honestly, this would be on one of my top jerseys in the last like 5 years for sure. This one right here has really just got so much nostalgia. This is why I became a Warriors fan, guys. This We Believe era is the reason why I started following the Golden State Warriors the way I did. I do want to show you guys the jersey's components and of course what it looks like, you know, when you're trying it on. I've heard people give a lot of mixed reviews on this jersey, but I honestly think it's great. I'm totally biased because I am a Golden State Warriors fan. A lot of teams in the NBA, as a matter of fact, I think all teams in the NBA did a new city edition of their hometown. For the Golden State Warriors, they are now playing at Chase Center in San Francisco, California. But of course you have Oakland on the front, paying homage to the Oracle Arena in Oakland, California, because the Warriors are no longer playing there, but they played for like 40+ seasons in Oracle. So we never want to forget Oakland and the city, you know, and what it did for the Warriors and Warriors fans like myself, you know, and they wanted to pay homage to giving back to the town with this jersey right here. So I think it's an excellent and fitting way to do that with this style. The Nike swoosh on the upper right portion of the jersey is stitched, followed with that sponsor patch on the left, where the Rakuten is also single stitched. Just an FYI, guys, on the sponsor patch, you will not get them if you buy them, I believe, off of like NBA.com or any other sites like Fanatics or whatnot. I believe sponsor patches are only provided when you actually buy the jersey from the team store, you know, online team store. But as far as I know, they don't include that patch if you buy it in other sites. So if you want to get that patch and you want to get that authentic extra feel and look to it, you might want to check the team shop first. The jerseys materials that they use is called vapor knit material, and Nike has been using this material for a while now, but pretty much the fabric, just to kind of give you guys an idea, it's a very, very lightweight fabric, but it's intended to not stick to your skin when you are sweating. So obviously NBA players, high performance levels that they're playing in, they don't want to have any like discomfort when playing with the uniform. So obviously that's why Nike wanted to accommodate that by giving this vapor knit material. It's interesting because as I look through the fabric, it has like these like perforated holes kind of throughout, like in patches of the front. I don't know if my camera can catch that, but it's really interesting to see how much the jerseys have evolved over the years. You know, it looks like on the sides of the jerseys it has that mesh right there along with the top portion of where your chest is, but then on the lower portion of the 30 you have like this like cloth fabric. The front of the jersey, you have that beautiful Oakland right there, which is very reminiscent to the Warriors logo on my head right here, only now they change it to Oakland. Then you have Curry's number 30, and it's interesting with the numbers that they use on Nike jerseys, especially for the Authentics, is that they have like these perforated holes, it looks like, that are just kind of etched around the entire numbers. On the back, you do have that giant 30 with the perforated holes as well, just like in the front. And then you also have Curry's name that is single stitched, guys, along with the rubberized NBA logo that is heat pressed on. You also have the number 6 right there, which is to represent the Warriors championships that they've won. Wouldn't mind seeing a higher number on there, to be honest with you. One of my favorite features on this jersey is the side panels right here. You have those beautiful 2 stripes of that yellow. If you look closely, you can actually see it say "We Believe" just kind of etched across with the yellow, but that is paying homage to the We Believe eras, which are these colors that the Warriors wore back in the day, and I am very proud to see that, and I'm very, very happy that the Warriors decided to do that. The jersey also features orange trim, guys, where the armholes will be, and then on the neck collar you also have orange followed with that contrast of yellow. Another great feature, guys, is the jock tag. So over the years, the jock tags have changed, guys. This is kind of what Nike has been doing ever since they have been the official licensor for NBA jerseys. But you have that Golden State Warriors right there with that rubberized texture. It looks to be heat pressed on. You also have the length +2, which they have been doing with their authentic NBA jerseys, and you have on the side right there the authentic. I'm gonna try this on, guys. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, you know, while I model this for you guys, and hopefully I can make a shot or two wearing this jersey right here. All right, y'all, well, that is pretty much going to wrap up today's video on this jersey right here. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about the Warriors City Edition jersey. Are you guys fans of them, or was there like a different team that you like better than these styles? Either way, I would love to hear what you guys think and your thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have already, you already know. God bless. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful holidays. Leave a like, share the video, like the video, all that great stuff. And until then, your boy Rez is out. Peace! Your boy Rez is out. Peace! Shit, that didn't even go in.